Across cold, unforgiving land, early humans searched the horizon, knowing that one failed hunt could mean the end. Food was scarce, and every small portion had to be divided carefully, because for this tribe, even a single meal carried the weight of life and death. When supplies ran low, the strongest stepped forward, sharpening stone and wood, knowing the forest would not offer mercy. The hunters disappeared into the trees, and behind them, families waited, hoping this would not be the last time they saw them. In the quiet of the forest, survival demanded patience, and every footprint in the soil could lead to salvation or danger. When prey finally appeared, fear was not an option. The struggle was brutal and uncertain, and in those moments, strength alone was not enough, because trust and teamwork meant everything. When the animal finally fell, exhaustion gave way to relief. For this victory would feed more than hunters. It would save an entire family. With heavy steps, they carried hope back to camp, and each step closer meant another chance at tomorrow. From a distance, the tribe saw them returning, and in that instant, fear turned into celebration. The child ran forward without hesitation, because survival was not just about food, it was about family. Around the fire, hands worked together. No one survived alone, and every cut, every flame, every shared effort strengthened their bond. As the fire rose higher, warmth replaced fear, and the flame became more than heat. It became a symbol of unity. The scent of roasting meat filled the air, and for the first time in days, hunger loosened its grip. They gathered in a circle and shared what they had fought for. And though there were no words for gratitude, there was quiet understanding in every glance. Beside the fire, wisdom passed from one generation to the next, because survival was not only about strength, it was about remembering. With full stomachs and steady hearts, the tribe rested, and for that night at least they were safe. Under the stars, they reflected in silence, knowing they had faced the wild and endured. The fire burned softly, guarding them through the darkness, its glow carrying both memory and promise. Thousands of years later, families still gather around warm light and shared meals, and though the world has changed, the feeling remains the same, because gratitude was born in survival, and it has never left us.